Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable Shake to Report option on Snapchat. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon and then select the gear button. After that, scroll until you can find Shake to Report option. Once you do, tap on it and then toggle off the button beside Enable option. And that's it. This is how you can disable Shake to Report feature on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.